Hey folks, once again, it's Captain James Nelson here with Dude Craft Guitars. Check out this one. Look at that. It's all natural finish, all a hand rubbed finish. So it's got that real nice, like that sheen, that real cool feel. I call it the Santa's Workshop feel. This was made by elves. It actually was. So all the details are over in the description, and I'll get on with the sound demos. You guys know I usually try to put a beat and then play along with it. And I really have no idea what I'm playing, but this guitar has some really cool tones to it that I might just try to exploit. Let's see what we got here. etc., etc., etc. So yeah, all the details are in there. Let me go over some of the switching here real quickly for you guys, just so you know what I was doing. I may or may not go back and caption because I was flipping along. But essentially, you've got good old-fashioned forward, rear, middle. When these little mini switches are up, you've got humbucker. When they're down, you got single coil, and they're individual. So this one takes care of the neck, this one takes care of the bridge. And what's going on back here, and I don't know if I experimented with that or not, but if it's up, you've got the volume pop. If it's in the middle, then you've got both volume and direct, or you could bypass the volume and go direct. Really fun guitar to make. Houston, I hope you like it, and I hope to get this thing out there to you so you can rock it, so it could be in the hands of a real player. I really appreciate it. Again, folks, thanks for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.